Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Now, continuing the discussion of pain and pleasure principle by Tony Robbins that I just discussed in the previous videos, the prospect theory and the loss aversion theory discuss the relationship between the loss and the gain of money, the loss and gain of assets. What is the relationship between that? We are going to discuss it. Now, let's say that you lose $100. Now, how many amount do you actually need to gain the same level of satisfaction again? Obviously, the $100, right? It's totally wrong. The prospect theory or the loss aversion theory says that the loss of losing $100 is much greater than the gain of $100. You cannot get the same level of satisfaction if you will get $100 back. Now, how much amount of money do you need to get the same level of fulfillment? The theory says that you need at least $200 to get the same level of satisfaction again. Okay. Now, one could easily state that the pain of loss is not equal to the gain of pleasure. The relationship between these two elements is this: the pain of loss is much more than the pleasure of gaining a thing. Now, let me tell you guys that this theory specifically applies mostly to the monetary losses. Okay. If you will lose $1,000, you need $2,000 to fulfill yourself to get the same level of energy. But if you will lose, let's say that a certain person loses a human asset, that if you will lose a family member, if you will get even 2, if you will get even 10 brothers for yourself, you can never get the same level of fulfillment. You will be needing the same person in your life again. So the prospect theory or the loss aversion theory only applies to the monetary losses. Okay. This is what the fear strategy is all about. You must have seen many websites where whenever you will visit those websites, they will give you a countdown timer. Well, they will say that this is a limited time offer. We are offering a clearance sale that would end on 26th of October. Okay. Now the countdown timer starts. For example, you must have observed the website of Udemy and Coursera. Whenever you go to their opt-in page, the countdown timer starts. Anyhow, they create a sense of urgency so that you could get rapidly into the mode of buying their product. And could you recall and could you brainstorm on this, that which business is purely and directly related to the fear strategy? That business is purely based on making people terrified of the possible repercussions and the circumstances. Which one is that? Think on it. Ladies and gentlemen, no points for guessing. This is the business of insurance, which is purely based on the prospect theory or the loss aversion theory. They will always tell you the cons of not using their service. For the next time, whenever an insurance agent comes to you, keep the prospect theory and the loss aversion theory in your mind. Teach those people as well that whatever you are presenting to me is actually the loss aversion theory. Okay, see you in the next video. Subscribe to Freelancing with Fahad to enhance your freelancing skills. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.